Hello everyone, welcome back to Sharp Skill. In today's video, we are going to explore a fantastic plugin that can add a professional touch to your WordPress login page. We are talking about the Login Press plugin. It's a powerful tool that allows you to customize and enhance the login experience for both you and your user. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let me give you a quick overview of what Login Press is all about. It's a WordPress plugin designed to revamp and customize the default login page of your WordPress site. Whether you are running a blog, an e-commerce store, or a business site, having a branded and secure login page is essential. So why would you want to use Login Press? Well, it offers a range of features that can benefit both you and your user. On the visual side, you can customize the login page with your logo, background image, and even change the color scheme to match your brand. Now let's get down to business and see how to download and install Login Press on your WordPress site. Head over to WordPress dashboard and navigate to plugins. In the search bar, type Login Press and you should see it at the first result. Click on install now and wait a few seconds. Then click on activate. Once activated, you will find the Login Press menu in your WordPress dashboard. Click on it and you will be taken to the WordPress setting. And you can customize your login page. You can start customizing your login page. You can upload your logo, change background images, and adjust color schemes to match your site branding. Play around with the setting to get the look you want. In my case, I want to change the logo. So click on this icon and from here select your image. Upload your logo image. Click on choose image and now you see the WordPress icon is now replaced with my logo. I also want to change the background. For that, click here and you can select from here, or you can also upload the image that you want to add for your background. Suppose I want to use this image as a background and then click on publish. Here you can customize these changes and you can go upgrade to Pro for more features. Help keep your site secure from unauthorized access. Now log out and see how your page looks like now after changing the logo and background. So now I'm logged in. And there you have it. With Login Press, you have transferred your default WordPress login page into a secure page that and visually appealing entry point for your site. Remember, a well-designed login page not only enhances the user experience but also adds an extra layer of professionalism to your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.